See. Christopher Ortiz, Miss Holmes.
On barrier.
The attachment was emailed.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Good morning. Are you Christopher Ortiz?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Holmes, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Issues with,
Well, the case was originally dismissed. But after discussions with the complainant who was upset it got dismissed, they had to refile it. And so to appease, which is the reason why it's reduced to a misdemeanor.
if there's not any type of cognitive issue with your client, then no. But you're pleading to a lesser?
Yes.
All right, give me just a second to get that pulled up. Okay, and again, you're Christopher Ortiz,
Yes, ma'am.
and he'll waive the formal reading of the indictment.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ortiz, in cause number 25, DCCR 1684, the state has elected to proceed on the lesser included offense of the Class A misdemeanor assault. Is it just assault or assault family?
It's not a family.
No, it's
Just assault. Let me write that in, hold on. And that's from October 12th of 2024. And how do you plead to that charge?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
And because you did what they've charged you with?
Yes, Your Honor.
I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Ms. Holmes?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it looks like the agreement that you've reached, the tablet is thinking for a minute. The agreement looks like it's a 1-year deferred probation. There would be a $250 fine. You would be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation, including having no contact with Jerry Pete. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Ortiz is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily, find that you're mentally competent and understand the nature and the consequences of that plea, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made and defer all proceedings and place you on probation for 1 year. You're ordered to pay the $250 fine, and you're ordered to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation, including having no contact or communication at all with Jerry Pete. If you do everything that you're supposed to on this probation, this is an excellent opportunity because you don't have the conviction on your record. And at the end of the probation period, if you're successful, the case is actually dismissed and you'll never have the conviction. The other side to that is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court, found guilty of the offense, and sent to the Jefferson County Jail for up to 1 year. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I've handed you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, so you've waived your right to appeal. You need to have a seat here in the courtroom and listen for probation to call you up. She's at that desk right there. Once she gets your paperwork ready, she'll call you up to go over it with you.
Thank you.
Good luck to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Garza.
Mr. Cole, on Cameron LeBlanc.
Yes, Your Honor. We're present. How you been, Judge?
Good, good morning.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you as well.
Yes. And to your lovely, great staff, everyone, how you doing? Good to see you.
Good morning, sir. You're Cameron LeBlanc.
Yes, ma'am.
And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do, Judge.
Mr. LeBlanc, in cause number 25, DCCR 1354, you're charged with a state jail felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. Is that a state jail?
It was on foot, and because he had a prior, well,
It was.
No, it's a
we didn't
vehicle.
we alleged a motor vehicle,
Yeah.
That's a third degree.
and Mr. Cole got it right, and I got it wrong. I talked him out. He did the third-degree paperwork, and I talked him into a state jail.
It's wrong. The
indictment.
indictment is wrong. That's a third degree felony, so I'm afraid you're going to have to go back and do the other paperwork that you had correct.
You were right, and I was wrong. I'm sorry.
All right, I'm going to delete this and y'all can get that other one done. And then I can, do you guys agree for me to make that modification on the indictment to show that it's a third degree
Yes, ma'am.
in the title?
Statement of order.
Yes.
No objection to
No
that?
objection.
All right, thanks. It's early. It's early to use your first one already.
He's already used his dismissal too.
Hear that, Judge? I hear that.
Uh-huh.
What is that?
There's a vibration noise.
Sometimes like a vibration noise.
Oh,
Sometimes the trams shake.
I don't feel it.
This is
No, I've
different
never
now.
noticed
It's
it.
different
No,
than
I've
that.
never heard this before.
It's
It must be coming from, yeah, I don't,
weird.
and y'all know I usually can hear everything. I heard you. He's just doing new paperwork.
Kelly. Kelly.
Tommy.
No, you live in Mr. Cole. Is that what you said?
I need the discovery log, are you emailing it to me? The attachment for this, are you emailing it to me?
I can.
Yeah, this is a discovery. Yes, it's your discovery.
I'm sorry.
No, I just want to tell you, you need it.
We will meet here.
Did you look at this? I don't know how to tell them, I don't know where they did it. Email it to us as soon as you get to it.
Yes, ma'am.
That's perfect.
All right.
We can boss it.
It's, you're certifying that you've looked at that discovery, and what you signed says I've attached to what I've looked
I
at.
got you, Judge. They have to chew it up and give it to me again in baby bites.
Gotcha. Mm-hmm, I feel it.
Feel it.
Probably isn't trying to. The whole motion. I was never heard it do that.
I've never noticed it before.
Maybe we're having an earthquake. It's very slow.
Why would you say that?
It could happen. Everything can happen.
I know, that's what we're talking about.
You don't hear it?
Well, welcome to the conversation.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Cole, on Cameron LeBlanc, let's try that again. All right, again, sir, you're Cameron LeBlanc, and will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment? Mr. LeBlanc, in cause number 25, DCCR 1354, you're charged with the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from August 20th of 2025, and how do you plead to that charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they've charged you with? I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Cole? Do you fully understand them? And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal? So it only shows on here a $1,000 fine.
Yes, Judge, it's standard conditions.
No, it doesn't show anything else. So what is, either it didn't come through, is there a probation?
Yes, Judge, should be
Is it-
5-year deferred.
Okay, none of that came through. It just shows the $1,000 fine and the dismissal in the county. So it's a deferred probation for 5 years?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll fill that in.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure. So it looks like the agreement is for a 5-year deferred probation, a $1,000 fine. There would be a dismissal as part of this agreement in cause number 25 CCCR 2146, the misdemeanor, and you would be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes.
State tenders number 1.
No objections to state one, Your Honor. I know my handwriting is a little, so I know that dismissal case is 3146
No,
or
it should be 2-1.
2146.
What did I say?
You
Yeah,
said
no, you said
2146.
2-1.
It is 2?
You put 3-1, I changed it.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Any evidence that Mr. LeBlanc is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily, find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case so that the probation department can do a pre-sentence report. That'll give me more information about you and your case, and then we'll come back later for sentencing. You need to stop and talk to probation on your way out of the courtroom today, and she's sitting at that desk right over there. All right, we'll see you back at sentencing.
Please excuse, Your Honor.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Sorry, Judge, we make it harder.
Oh, yeah. It was a
That's
rough
okay.
day.
Y'all got it done.
Fabian Hall. Fabian Hall.
Yeah.
Your Honor, if we have an agreement for jail sanctions, do we need to do paperwork on an MPRV? I never remember.
You know, because we do it both ways.
Right, I know people sometimes do, I just don't know if we have to.
What we're doing is jail as a condition of probation.
Right.
No, we'll just go through the motion, get pleas of true or not true, and then I will make a finding, because we've got to close out the motion.
Right.
So the way to close it out would just be me continuing probation and adding that condition, and probation will do the order for it, so we don't really need paperwork.
Okay. That's on board.
Okay, give me just a second, and I'll call it in just a minute.
Who's on?
Sorry.
It's okay. I just did Joseph. I need a different one.
He's not, we're not doing paperwork.
But if they come in front of you and make an agreement,
Oh, okay. No, that's
you
okay.
have to prove it was that person in court.
Gotcha. Yeah, listen to her, not me.
It's a she.
She.
Sorry. We'll say that again too.
Good morning. How are you, Mr. LeGras?
I keep thinking when I come, weren't you the one that told me you knew some of my family? Because they're all from Port Arthur.
I don't know.